Just when Somalis were beginning to hope that their city was safe once more, a suicide bomber attacks the National Theatre. The explosion tore through a ceremony filled with dignitaries, musicians and political figures. Among the dead, the presidents of the National Olympic Committee and the National Soccer Federation. The rebel group Al-Shabaab is being blamed. It was forced out of the city last year, but it has promised continued bloodshed. The theatre reopened last month with a burst of colour and music not seen in Mogadishu for 20 years. Back then, the theatre supporters said it was a celebration of renewed hope and optimism.
After 21 years of a self-destruction, one might call, of Somalia, the killings, the difficult Somalia facing, Somalia are in the process of recovery. And today what you see is a symbol and a spirit of Somalia.
But the music and dance that is so much a part of Somalia's Sufi culture is also abhorred by the deeply conservative Al-Shabaab rebels. This latest attack is a reminder that calm in Mogadishu isn't the same as peace. Peter Grester, Al Jazeera.